Hi everyone, I'm Prasad. Guys, do you remember my first video, Bahrain trip? In that, I mentioned that I went to Bahrain on 14 days visit visa, and after that, company got it converted into 1 year residency permit. And I told you that applying e visa is very easy. You can apply online without any consultancy's help, and it's low cost as well. I told you that. Actually, I wanted to do e visa process video to help you, to guide you, but as I was busy in other videos making, I could not do it. Now I'm doing it. Please watch it till end, it helps you a lot. Guys, see these four countries: Oman, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and UAE. These four countries got visa. These four countries only got visa free option to Bahrain. That means they don't require visa at all to enter Bahrain. Like Nepalese don't require any visa to enter India and to work in India, like that. And remaining countries require visa. And see the visa and arrival countries, visa and arrival eligible countries. In that, mostly English speaking and European countries are there, and Spanish countries. And India, these countries can have e-visa. E-visa means online visa. It's very easy. No visa interview, no visa embassy interview, so no need to wait a long time for getting visa interview appointment slot. It's very easy, low cost as well. Got it right? So now I will show you how to apply e-visa through online. First, go to Google, type Bahrain e-visa. You will get the site evisa.gov.bh. Click on that. This site opens. Accept disclaimer. Here see, you get a lot of options like eligible to apply visa and visa application. See, you get a lot of options. Apply, eligible to apply, visa application status to check whether visa approved or not after applying, and correction, visa correction, pay later. First you click on apply and eligible to apply. Okay, see here it's asking, do you have a residency permit or visit visa to GCC? GCC means Gulf countries. If you have any visit visa residency permit, click yes, otherwise leave default no. Okay, after that purpose of visit, general visit, you have to click general visit. Okay, and detail purpose, tourism. We are going for tourism, right? So we have to select that, and after that your nationality, whatever your nationality, you have to select that and enter this code and click on next. That's it. Now we will move to this screen. Here we'll get a lot of information. See, online on arrival, India got online e-visa option, right? So on arrival we not eligible, but actually I'll show you, we have one facility in this. Actually Indians are not eligible for on arrival, but if we have visit visa to UAE, UK, US or US green card, then we can avail on arrival in Bahrain. After reaching Bahrain, you can apply visa in airport. Got it? That benefit we have. See that you can find that. You can find whatever I told you, that's there in this. Another advantage of on arrival visa is it's low cost compared to e-visa. It's low cost. E-visa is 9 BD, almost 2000 Indian rupees, but see on arrival just 5, that means only 1000 rupees. If you have visa and arrival option to any country you want to go, then use only visa and arrival option, because it's low cost. You can get at very low cost. You can have savings. Okay, now we'll see online. Okay, online we can apply visit visas for 3 consecutive periods. One is for 2 weeks, the second one is for 3 months, and last one is for 1 year. Correct? Using 2 weeks visit visa, max we can stay in Bahrain 2 weeks, and we can't work legally in Bahrain unless any company helps you and converts your visit visa to work visa. Got it? To apply this visit visa, you need a passport valid for minimum 6 months, and your confirmed flight ticket, confirmed remember, and hotel booking. You better book a hotel with cancellation option so that you can cancel anytime if there is any changes in your plan. And third one and most important is, should maintain $1,000 you should maintain in your account for 3 months. $1,000 means in India $1 value today is 83 rupees, so you should maintain minimum 83,000 rupees in your account for last 3 months. But I had like some people deposited yesterday and submitted their bank statement today, still their visa got approved, so it's not a big deal. But as per that condition, you better maintain 83,000 in your account for last 3 months. It's not a big deal, right? It's not a big amount. Then you can get a visa without any rejections. And second one is 3 months visa, right? 3 months visa. Using 3 months visa, we can stay max 1 month in Bahrain per visit. That means after going to Bahrain using that visa, you can stay there only 1 month. Even you have a 3 months visit visa, you can stay max 1 month. You should come to India and again you can go back and you can stay another month. But there are some tricks like you can go to nearby countries. That means officially you're exiting Bahrain, you can re-enter immediately, then it's considered a second visit. So you can use this kind of tricks to save your money instead of coming to India spending a lot of money. Like that you can do it. And third one is 1 year, right? Using 1 year visa, you can stay max 3 months. Again, after 3 months, you should come to India, or you should exit to nearby countries, and again you can re-enter Bahrain. That's it. These 3 visas we can avail using this online facility. It's very easy. No need of any consultancy's help. But amount differs, okay? The time, if you are applying for longer period visa, then costs more. It costs more. Okay. Now you choose whatever you want to apply. Then select last at the end. There's apply now. You can click on that, and you will go to the screen. Here, accept the terms and conditions. This is actual for application actually. Enter your passport number, and after that your nationality. Enter date of birth. After that select male or female. Country of birth. Enter your passport issue date and your passport expiry date. I'm entering details which don't belong to anyone. After that, in family name you enter your surname, okay, and given name your full name. Enter your field of work in occupation, like software field, like that. And in job title, enter your designation like programmer, something like that. After that, enter place of work where you're working, and email ID. Email ID is very important. You will get updates to your email ID mainly, whether your visa approved or not. You will get to your email ID. So enter your email ID carefully, correctly. After entering email ID, enter your telephone number with country code starting with plus. Enter plus, and after that, if you belong to India, if you're Indian, enter 91 plus 91. After that, your mobile number. If you don't enter plus, then you'll get error. I already checked, so you must enter plus. Okay, at the end enter son of, daughter of, wife of. After entering all details, check once again all details correct or not. If anything wrong, correct it, then click on next. See, I'm correcting some details. It's better to correct here itself. After correcting, just click on next. If you want to make any changes, you can change here. You can edit here using that button change. You click on that button change and you can edit it. Otherwise, you don't require any changes, then click on next. In this screen, you have to upload your passport, confirmed flight ticket, hotel booking confirmation, and your bank statement copies in JPG or PDF format. Always remember to submit your bank statement with bank stamp, then there wouldn't be much chances of rejection. After uploading all documents, click on next. Here is your reference number, save it, it's very important. You can check your visa application status using this number. Now click on pay by credit card button, red button. Then you will move to payment screen where you can make the payment using your credit card. Remember, here we don't have any other payment options like internet banking, debit card payment, etc. So before starting, keep your credit card ready. Making the payment after few days, click on this visa application status in the home screen. Here you can check your application status using the reference number. Okay, got it? That's why I ask you to save your reference number. That's it. It's very easy, right? We can easily apply online without anyone's help. It saves a lot of money as well. You can easily go. It saves time mainly. Your visa will be approved in 5 to 8 days, 5 to 8 working days. That's it, very easy. It saves a lot of time. You need not go to any embassy to face the visa interview. It saves a lot of money. Please do subscribe so that I can bring a lot of videos like this. Thanks for watching.